Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect MCCB with voltage connection wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. MCCB circuit breaker, voltage control, magnetic contactor, start switch, motor, overload, stop switch. First phase connection to MCCB, second phase connection to MCCB, third phase connection to MCCB, three phase connection from MCCB to connect magnetic contactor, another connection to voltage control, output connection to voltage control, output connection from contactor to connect overload, output neutral connection from magnetic contactor to connect voltage control, phase connection from voltage control to start switch, another connection between start switch and stop switch, again another connection from contactor to connect start switch, output connection from magnetic contactor to connect stop and start switch common connection, three phase connection input to overload from contactor, output connection from overload to connect stop switch, phase connection from overload to connect motor, second phase connection to motor from overload, third phase connection from overload to motor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends, share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.